Hi guys, welcome back to Style with Substance and welcome to me coughing my brains out. Today's video, as you'll have seen from the thumbnail, is a Zara haul, and I picked up some stuff because I need to update my work wardrobe, and here I am updating my work wardrobe with you guys. And so I'm just going to get into the haul. Okay. So open the box. Comme ça. Oh, getting in the French practice, eh? Oh. Okay. Box looks like that. Got a little Zara sticky. And then we open up to reveal the first item. Now, you guys will have definitely seen this on my channel because a little while ago I did a coat haul from Zara and I asked you guys to let me know which one you thought I should keep. And this was one of the jackets. I couldn't decide which one to keep, so I didn't go through with any of them at the time because I wasn't sure, like I wasn't 100% sold on it, and if I'm not 100% sold, I'm not going to keep stuff. However, I kept looking back at the video and the pictures, and I was like, yes to this one. And the reason being is because I'm looking for something that's really casual, like outerwear for my journeys to work. I feel like when I'm wearing my work coat or when I'm wearing my work clothes, I feel like, I just feel too grown up. Like I just want to be more cash, especially on your way in. You just want to be comfortable, warm, a little bit stylish, you know, just, yeah, I don't know, midlife crisis or whatever. But I picked up this navy blue jacket. Now the sun is doing the most right now, which I'm very happy about, so you won't be able to see this properly, so I will try and colour correct it and sort it out in the cutaways. But as always, if you want to see these items styled up, come over to my Instagram because I always style them up on there. But it is just this navy blue jacket. It comes with an invisible hood which is accessible via this zip here, so it's all in. Oh, where is it? Where's it gone? It's all here. So if it does rain, I'm sorted. I'm generally an umbrella girl, but you know what? It's always nice to have a little backup plan. And another great thing, gold hardware. It's also got this fur-lined... You know, let me open it up for you guys because I'm just so happy about this. Look at this. Just a fur lining, faux fur, I'm sure. I'll check that for you. On the inside, it's black, and it's just really cool. It's from the Zara Basic Outerwear collection, but this coat is so popular with working people in the UK. Like, you can't go a day or two without seeing somebody wearing a jacket like this, or this very one. So I picked up in a size small. It was $69.99, so a little bit pricey. I reckon this one and a number of other jackets go in the sale, so you can probably pick them up there. But I just wanted it now, so, so I got it. Back looks like that. It's very short and cropped, and then it's got two zips at the back, so if you want to open it up a little bit more you can. But it's just like if the Michelin Man had a girlfriend who was a fashionista, this is what she would look like. I will have linked it down below if it's still available, so you guys can check that out. Item number 2 I am so excited about. It is me in a dress. So it is this gorgeous, gorgeous ribbed V-neck black knit dress, midi length, with these gorgeous, gorgeous silver little beads on these sleeves and on the hemline. I'm telling you, when I saw these, actually, I thought they were just white, but they're actually little silver balls. Amazing, freaking amazing. The fit of this is excellent. It hugs your body like it's a joke. It's ridiculous. This dress is goals. This is my life goals. I want to be this dress in human form. So it was $29.99, so it was reduced. I got it in a size medium, and I will link it down below, and I will style it up on my Instagram. But everything. Now this isn't the hugest haul because I didn't get a lot of stuff. The next item is another dress. I wanted dresses because I wanted things that are easy to wear for the office. Like, I love separates. I love matching a nice shirt with a nice pair of trousers, but sometimes I just don't like ironing, and dresses are great because you can just put them on and they iron themselves on your body if they're tight enough. But also you don't have to think, oh, what am I going to match with this or whatever. So I just got this camel coloured short sleeve dress. It's kind of like a mock neck. I picked up, oh sorry, the dress up, oh no, I told you that already. I picked this up in a size medium, and it was $17.99. I picked these all up in a medium just because I want them to go on quite easy, and I want them to be a bit longer. When I pick up things in a small, because I have a slightly bigger bum, things ride up. So yeah, so this is really, really soft. Love the colour, obviously. And this would look really nice with like a black long coat. The way I saw this styled, the lady had like white culottes under it. But you know what you could do? If you had like a long white shirt dress, you could wear that underneath and just let the white just kind of come out at the bottom. Bit of layering. I would have never thought of that. So yeah, this is from the Tracker Look collection, and I love it. I wish it was long sleeve though. I do wish that. Anyway, next item is this lovely emerald green dress. Is it emerald green? That might not be emerald green. Just a deep, deep green. Love these kind of deep tones. It is a mini dress, so I had to get it in a medium because it looked quite short on the model online. So I was like, cannot ever get that in a small. I'm generally a small up top, in all honesty. That's why I always get my coats in a small. But in dresses, I have to go a size up for the reason I explained before. And this was $19.99, and it is long sleeve. It's kind of a scoop neck, and it has these sort of nice like panel stitching down the front, and then a zip at the back. But just a really simple dress. It's something that you'd style with tights and some nice boots, like ankle boots. I have some ankle stiletto boots that I normally wear with outfits like these, and they're like pointy toe, so I know this will go really nicely with those. And then the last item of clothing is this. So it is this kind of a maroony red, but it's coming off quite light red, but you'll see this in the cutaways. If you want the true colour and the full length picture of these, always come over to my Instagram. I post everything on there just so you can get a better look at it. The material is quite thin, I'm not going to lie to you. I don't know how I feel about this, but I think it was $19.99. Do I have a receipt in here? There's no receipt. Fantastic. Okay, I will link everything down below. One of these was $5.99. I'm so sure it was this. I'm so sure it was this. But anyway, I got it in a size medium. You'll see it in the cutaways. You'll see it on my Instagram. It is it's thick thin. So for Zara, it is thin, but it's like a very thick thin material. That's not making any sense, I know. But bear with me on this. But the reason I got this is because this would look really nice underneath like a gilet, or I have this Zara sleeveless trench that I would definitely rock this with, and some boots, or just like a jumper or something like that, like a big black fluffy jumper, and maybe make it seem like this is a skirt on the inside. You can wear this a lot of different ways, so I really like it. Then the last two items are fragrances. So I took on all your recommendations from my Zara perfume collection, and I picked up a couple more. I, for the life of me, could not find the Gardenia scent, which you guys were saying was a dupe for the YSL Black Opium, which you know I love. But I did find two of the others that you recommended. So I got the Orchid scent, but I got it in a, I think it's a rollable. Yeah, a rollable. So this was $3.99, and it's the Eau de Parfum. I didn't want to get it in the like full size because I wasn't sure how I'd like it, so I just got it in this size. Let's just see. If I like this size, then I'll see. The next one I had to get in a full size because they didn't do it in a rollable, so. Done. I'm not sure about that. I'm kind of glad I got it in a rollable, I'm not gonna lie. But this will be a good one to keep in my bag for like freshening up and stuff. So yeah, that was $3.99. You know, I'm not mad at that. $3.99 is not an annoying amount to spend on something you're not sure about. So Got that. Then I got the Zara Gold, which somebody said was a, I can't remember what it was a dupe for. Oh, Paco Rabanne Lady Million, which I love. My mum introduced me to that fragrance, and I just, yeah, I die for it. So yeah, this is the gold scent. I think it has the same packaging as a lot of the other ones. It's that little like sort of flat stone thingy. So it looks like that. That's crazy! That is so crazy! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I mean, is this like hard to do? I don't know. I don't know how perfumes are made, so maybe it is easy to just mimic the scent of a fragrance, but oh my god, I am so wearing this today. Ugh. Zara Woman Gold. Get it. Yeah, that is everything. I will leave it all linked in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have an amazing week. As you guys know, I'm doing my daily motivational videos every morning next week, and I've done them every morning this week as well. So there's a playlist that I will link down below where you can kind of catch up on those. So please do subscribe, because I've got lots of amazing content going out at the moment. Honestly, I have no social life right now, zero social life, but it's all worth it because I know you guys are loving those. Do come follow me on my Instagram, Twitter and Facebook page. I'm very active on Instagram. Snapchat, less so after the update, I'm not gonna lie. Although to be fair, even before the update I wasn't that active. But very active on Instagram and Instagram stories. And on Twitter as well. I have also started a new podcast with my siblings, which is called the Four Wings and Chips podcast. It's real, it's raw, and if you ain't ready for that, it might not be the one for you, but honestly, it's so funny. I listen back to the episodes myself and I'm cracking up. It's a very different version of me, but I think you guys will enjoy this more stripped back version. I think when you don't have a camera in front of your face, you can sort of be a lot more yourself. Not yourself, but a lot more relaxed. So you get to hear a lot of that, and you get to hear the dynamic between me and my two brothers and my sister. So I will link that down in the description box below. Check out the latest episode, and make sure you follow us on SoundCloud. Otherwise, I will see you guys in tomorrow's Monday motivation video, and on Wednesday, well, every day next week, but also on Wednesday for a sort of normal video. Thank you again, and don't forget to subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, and I will see you next week. Bye!